What to Expect When Raising an Alien Chapter 2, Cooking.
Don't touch the stove when it's on.
Tom said.
And don't touch anything on the stovepots. Thanks for barely listening.
Sonic nodded, practically vibrating with excitement.
Can we start now?
Tom sighed.
Yes.
Sonic was next to the stove in a second, having to stand on his tiptoes to see the recipe resting on the countertop.
Grilled chicken.
He read.
Oh, that sounds boring.
We're starting simple. Want some sugar and burn the house down and make some more complicated recipes.
Tom said, pulling a cutting board from the cabinet.
I'm going to trust you enough, and I trust you enough.
I can use a knife.
Sonic argued, grabbing the knife from the counter. He poked the tip of it with his finger.
Oh.
Tom plucked the knife from his grasp. What?
Yeah, no, that's for you.
He said, placing it out of Sonic's reach. The hedgehog pouted. Tom handed him a bottle of olive oil.
Take this.
He said, grabbing the knife and beginning to cut the chicken into smaller pieces. Sonic scrunched up his face, looking down at the olive oil with something like contempt.
What do I do with it?
Just hold it.
Tom said, hoping the hedgehog would stay occupied with that long enough for him to do most of the actual cooking work.
This is just a distraction, isn't it?
No, this is a very important job.
You're lying.
Who's the cooking expert here? Vera.
From the other room, they heard Maddie chuckle.
You are not a cooking expert.
She called.
That means I'm the expert.
Sonic cried triumphantly, placing his hands on his hips.
Nope, neither of you are experts.
Maddie said. Sonic, slightly betrayed, returned to his pouting. Now glaring at the olive oil, Tom put the chicken in a bowl.
Okay, pour some olive oil into the bowl.
Excitedly, Sonic opened the bottle and appended it over the chicken.
Not that much.
Tom cried.
I'm improvising what's next.
Sonic said. Tom shook his head.
This is going to taste terrible.
He mumbled, watching with concern and disgust as Sonic poured salt into the bowl. The chicken was, at least, neither over nor undercooked. Sonic was the first to taste it, expecting it to be exciting and flavorful thanks to his additions. Instead, he spit it back onto his plate in disgust.
Oh.
He said, grabbing his water glass.
That's terrible.
You put an entire bottle of olive on it.
Tom sighed.
What did you expect?
Not that.
Sonic said. Maddie gave the chicken a nervous poke with her fork.
So,
She said carefully.
want to order in pizza.
20 minutes and a delivery later, the family sat at the table with an open box of pizza.
What's cooking another Tom?
Tom said, comforting the disappointed Sonic.
At least you learned your lesson. Recipe knows best.
Sonic took a bite of pizza, nodding and trying to maintain his sad attitude. However, he found it hard to be sad while eating pizza, and quickly began to perk back up.
We should make pizza.
He said.
Pizza might actually not be a bad idea.
Tom conceded. Maddie agreed.
You can't cut too much olive oil on a pizza.
No, I'd find a way to.
Tom said, nodding at Sonic.
I totally could.
Sonic said proudly.
That wasn't a compliment.
I know.